All right, are you looking for inexpensive, effective storage that you can do with stuff that you probably have at home? I got you. You have a shoebox, one of these types of shoe boxes with the flip lid. Super simple. Take it apart, right? I was trying to do this on my desk over here, but it was too small, so we gotta do it this way. So you're just gonna take it apart. You know how it has all these little tabs and stuff on the inside of it? Take it apart all the way, all the sides, all the everything. And I'll show you here in a second what it looks like once it's taken apart. But you just have to fold out all the little tabs like this, right? Wish I could do this on my desk because you'd be able to see it better, but we're gonna make it work. All right, we're gonna make it work. Unfold, unfold, unfold. If I can get it out. All right, so that's what the bottom part looks like, all unfolded. We do the same thing to the top. Usually the top only has like 2 little tabs, which this one does. I think. Is it glued? Oh no, there we go. Okay. All right, so then the top is unfolded. I'm just gonna flip it inside out, right? And then, excuse me, and then refold it the way that it was folded. Put all the tabs in. So you're gonna fold all the tabs in like that, and then you're gonna take your flaps. You're gonna put them back the way that they were. First, we gotta do these little side tabs here. I'm sorry, I know this isn't ideal, but it's gonna work. You're gonna see what happens, okay? Bear with me. I promise. All right, so there's one tab. Stick it back in there. And it only really works with these types of boxes, the ones that like have the flip top. I've tried it with regular shoe boxes, and you have to like glue it back together and stuff. And I mean, if you want to do that, that's fine, but that's not my jam. So then you're gonna slip whatever, like I said, however you took it apart, and get it back in there. However you took it apart, put it back together. So slide that back in there, and then do the same thing to the other side. I think you can see here. Let me see. Move you down a little bit there, so you can see what I'm doing. Just gonna slide that in there. Slide the little tab in there. Longer than I wanted it to, but it's okay. It's gonna be worth it, I promise. Then again, you're gonna slide that piece in there, and then do the same thing to the lid. We're gonna fold all the pieces in, right, inside out. You just flip the box inside out. I've been doing this for years, and I love it. When I moved, I ended up throwing a bunch of them away, and now I want my cardboard boxes back, so here we go. So now you have a nice plain cardboard box to store things in, and then you can, some of them have holes here, you know, the holes that are here, you can put a handle on them, you can put them whichever way you want to put them on your shelf. And see, I had this one thinking that I could flip it, but it has glue, which, I mean, I could still flip it. Let me show you. See, it's glued together, so I can, there, let's take it apart, I guess. Huh? I got these boxes from our recycle center, like our reuse center, and I didn't really pay attention to it. So that was my fault. But we're just going to do the same thing. You just flip it all over, flip it around, flip it around. And again, it works best with these types of boxes that have the flip top on them because they close better and they just look better. Let's see if I can do this one. I don't think I'm going to be able to do that bottom part, but I'll still show you kind of how it would look. Oh, you can see. kind of hard to do this with holding it up like this. But yeah, you just flip everything inside out. So that's the lid, right? And then the bottom part, like I said, the bottom part was glued together, so I would have to glue this one together, which isn't a big deal. So like I would have to glue it in there and then do the same thing on this side. But I mean, it's possible. It's not like you can't do it. And then close it. I'm trying to close it with one hand here. And then when you glue it together and close it, then you have another box, and this one has a cute little slot there, so then you can put them on top of each other, and you have cool storage that you can label. Use your Cricut, you can write on it. Like I said, you can put handles on them, do whatever you want. But you've got some great storage, and it was using stuff you already had. Ask your family, your friends for their shoe boxes like this. You got free storage. There you go. Have a good day. Be blessed and be the reason someone smiles. Bye, guys.